Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a 2006, it'd be 2002 through 2000, or maybe 2000 through 2006 Nissan Sentra. These are located behind the glove box, and so what you'll do is you'll open the glove box and you literally just pull in on the side right here, either side, which I'm trying to do with my left hand, which is my weak hand. But yeah, you just pull in on it a little bit, force it over. Same deal with this, force it over, and it'll just push on down, and it'll literally pull out of the way. So as you'll see down here, you have these tabs in the very bottom. This bit with the paint on it right there literally just pushes in and out to lock it in place on the bottom, and they just kind of pop in. After that, you just have these 6 screws. I got the 2 on the bottom. No, I'm sorry. It is just 4 screws. It's the ones on the top. I got the get this in focus for you. Yeah, you got the 4 screws here. It's and you have to take those out with a Phillips head. I believe it's a number 2. I just use a multi screwdriver, but we'll take those out and go from there. So after you get the last screw out here, I've got the other 3 out already. Just pull that one out. This metal bit right here will actually just push down, which once again is easier said than done when you're trying to film, but it literally just pushes down and comes right off. And after that, you just literally work this plastic shroud off of here. And the plastic shroud's out. And then where the filter goes is right above the blower motor right here. And it's just got these 2 tabs. You just pull them out. It's got like a clip on the back side of it. And you just pull it out, and the whole door comes off. That whole door comes off. And in that hole's where your filter goes. I've already removed this one. It was the factory Nissan one, and it was just super dirty. I mean, it had 150,000 miles on it. I'm putting in the TYC brand 800002C, I guess is the part number. Hell, I don't know. No, sorry, it's the 27277-4M400 is the part number for it. But go to rockauto.com and look up your vehicle and find the parts that are available for it. And then what I always do is I search those parts on Amazon and see what it is on Amazon Prime versus paying shipping at Rock Auto. And I usually wind up buying it at Amazon, but I compare prices that way and get it cheapest I can. So I'm just gonna open this up and we'll go from there. All right, now that I've got it opened up here, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know, the 800002C may be the correct part number on that, but there it is. It's fresh and new. It just goes right in that hole. Nothing special to it at all, really. Just slides in it and just kind of sits in there. Has a track that it sits in. It doesn't do anything else special. And the airflow goes down on these. It gets sucked into the blower from the top. So you want the airflow indicator, which is that arrow right there. It's pointing down, so that's correct. And then this cover here will literally just snap back in place. And there it is, it's snapped in, good as new. And we'll just reverse the process of putting this thing back together. Put the plastic back, shroud cover thing back in here. And it just literally snaps back in. And then you put the screws back in. Alright, so the bottom part of it has these lip things that need to go over. Right there, just like that. And then the top part will just pop back in place. And then you just screw the screws back in. I'm sorry, actually you'll put this metal piece back on first. And it just slides right back on. And the screw holes line up. And then you just start screwing the screws back in. So now that the plastic shroud's back in, all 4 screws are in, the metal piece is back on. Put the glove box back in, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here with the bottom lock-in pieces. So the bottom has these right here. I just push those in on both sides. Just makes it easier to go in. Just push those in on both sides. This is gonna be hard to do one-handed, but we'll see if I can do it. I actually slide the top in first. Where they go. And then the bottom gets pushed into where it goes. And then once it's in, you just push these out to lock them in place, to lock the bottom back in place. Yeah, that's how it goes. And then, good as new. Hope that was helpful, guys. Hope that is helpful and beneficial to you in getting your cabin air filter put back together and cleaned up and all that. Give me any questions if you have them. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks so much.